Happily unmarried actresses who are over 30. Shraddha Kapoor. Our beloved actress Shraddha is now 32 and still unmarried and happy. She has confessed that she has no plan for marriage recently. Shraddha Kapoor had a tragic love life and heartbroken many times. Currently she is dating Rohan Shrestha. Katrina Kaif. Bollywood diva Katrina Kaif is right now 36 years old and she is happily unmarried after dating many co-stars. Rumors are doing around that she is currently dating the new heartthrob Vicky Kaushal. They never confessed their relationship yet. Jacqueline Fernandez. This foreign beauty is enjoying her single life at 34. She told that she is happily unmarried and still has no marriage plan now. Jacqueline dated Bollywood actor Siddharth Malhotra some years back. Sonakshi Sinha. This beautiful actress is unmarried at 32 and whenever she asked about her marriage plan, she always denies it. According to the report, stunning actress Sonakshi is now dating Zahir Iqbal, but she never talked about her love affairs openly. Taapsee Pannu. Thappad famed Taapsee never revealed her personal life publicly. This 32-year-old actress is unmarried and focusing on her career. Rumor says that she is dating Danish badminton player Matthias Bo. Parineeti Chopra. 31-year-old bubbly actress Parineeti Chopra has no marriage plan as she is single. When Parineeti was asked, she said that she is currently focusing on her films. According to the report, she is dating Charit Desai now. Kangana Ranaut. Feminist actress Kangana had a tragic love life and for this reason, this actress confirmed that she has no intention to get hitched soon. 32 years old Kangana is now happily single and focusing on her acting and producing career. Vaani Kapoor. War-famed Vaani Kapoor is currently focusing on her Bollywood career. This 31 years old actress is happily unmarried. Tabu. Evergreen beauty Tabu is now 48 years old and still unmarried and single. Moni Roy. The sizzling beauty Moni is now 34-year-old and still unmarried. Moni is now very much focused and looking forward to her Bollywood career. Nargis Fakhri. 40-year-old Nargis Fakhri left her Bollywood career. She is unmarried but dating her ex-boyfriend Matt Alonso. Yami Gautam. 31-year-old charming actress Yami Gautam is unmarried and also happily single. After breaking up with Pulkit Samrat, Yami didn't go for any relationship. Richa Chadha. 32 years old Fukre actress Richa Chadha and her long-term boyfriend are now in a live-in relationship. These two stars have no intentions to get hitched soon. Both are focusing on their Bollywood career. Kriti Kharbanda. 31 years old Kriti is dating her co-star Pulkit Samrat and they have no plan to get married right now. Amisha Patel. At 43, Amisha is still enjoying her unmarried life and is dating Kunal Gumar. Shruti Hassan. After dating many co-stars and businessmen, Shruti Hassan is still single at 33. Zareen Khan. Gone actress Zareen is now 32 years old and happily unmarried and single also. Huma Qureshi. 33 years old Huma Qureshi is single right now and she confessed that she has no intention to get married soon. Isha Gupta. 34 years old stunning actress Isha Gupta is still unmarried. She dated Arman Gujral and Nikhil Thampi but broke up eventually. Who is the hottest happily single actress according to you? Write your thoughts in our comment section and do not forget to subscribe our channel for more updates.